In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cards Trello. While Trello doesn't have a literal merge button, you can effectively combine two cards by attaching one card to the other, adjusting how that attachment appears, and capturing a clear trail of what you merged. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can follow along confidently. Start by heading to Trello.com in your browser and sign in if you're prompted. From the Trello homepage, open your workspace and click Boards to see all the boards you have access to. Choose the board where your primary card lives, the one you want to keep as your source of truth, then open that card. Inside the card, look along the right-hand side for the Add section. Click Add, then choose Attachment. The attachment window gives you several sources. Select Trello so you can link an existing Trello card. If your related or duplicate card sits on another board, switch to that board in the selector. Pick the specific card you want to merge into your primary card. As soon as you select it, Trello attaches it, and you'll see it appear in the card's attachment list as a linked Trello card. Next, fine-tune how that attachment appears. Find the attached card in the attachment section and click the three dots beside it to open its options. Choose Edit. You'll see fields for the link and the display text. The link points to the attached card's URL. You typically won't need to change this unless you pasted a different link. The display text controls the label users see on the attachment. Update the display text to something clear, like the other card's title or a short note that indicates it's the card you're merging. When you're happy with it, click Save. If a small editor window remains open, close it with the X so you're back at the main card view. Now, let's capture the link and confirm everything's correct. In the Attachments area, locate the Trello card you just linked. Click into the Trello Attachments area so its quick actions are visible. Click Copy Link to grab the URL of that attached card. This is useful if you want to reference it in the description, a checklist, or a comment. Then click Open Preview to quickly verify that the attachment points to the correct card. After you've checked it, close the preview with the X to return to your primary card. To leave a clear audit trail, open the attachment's three-dot menu again and choose Comment. This adds a note to the activity feed referencing the attached card. Paste the link you copied, or briefly state that you're consolidating content from the other card into this one. Comments help teammates understand what happened without hunting around. If you use the attachment only as a temporary bridge while you copy details over, you can tidy up by removing it. Open the three-dot menu on the attachment once more, select Remove, and confirm Remove. This keeps the card streamlined after you've finished consolidating. If you prefer to keep a permanent relationship between the two cards, you can skip removal and leave the attachment in place. When you're done, close the card with the X in the corner to return to your board. That's the full flow. Open Trello, go to your board, open the primary card, attach the related Trello card, edit the attachment's link text for clarity, copy the link, preview it to confirm, add a comment to document the merge, and optionally remove the attachment if you're finished consolidating. A few tips as you use this method. Pick one card to be the single source of truth before you begin. Move or recreate key details like checklists and due dates on the primary card so nothing gets lost, and use comments to record what you merged and why. With this approach, you get all the benefits of a merge: clarity, continuity, and a clean card, without any confusion.